Morning everyone. So we're here this Easter Sunday morning at St John's Safe Haven Gardens at the bottom of New Road, site of the old St John's Church. This is one of the sites we've taken over from the council, so we're looking at maintaining, improving the site, planting flowers, clearing foliage, and this morning we've been spending time clearing the pathways, the second entrance to the site. We've put some bird boxes up and we're putting bat boxes up to encourage wildlife to use the site. It's a volunteer-led course this. We meet once a month and we come together for an hour, a couple of hours on a Sunday morning to help clear the site. We've made a huge difference already, but there's lots more work to do. So if you're ever at a loose end one Sunday morning, come and join us. Keep your eye on Radcliffe Litter Pickers Facebook page. The sites will be mentioned there. Come along and join us for the next one. Have a good Easter weekend, guys. Bye.